This is a 1990 Ford Maverick. Most people see an old, tired four-wheel drive. The same platform as a legendary Nissan MQ Patrol, the Japanese icon built to go anywhere and survive everything. So if you want to see the real bodywork, good preparation, and a full paint job in a professional way, this is the video you don't want to skip. Hi, my name is Farid, and here is Artin Automotive. Let's get started. So we are bringing back this one to the life properly. This is not a quick respray, and we do full restoration, full paint job, and no shortcut. Antenna hole and side blink will be welded and erased. The crack on the previous paint. Scratches are everywhere. Rough paint and scratches on the top area. Too many different color. Holes inside the door jambs. And of course the chipped and old paint inside the door jambs. And the last one, the sunburn on one of the guard. I try to find how many dents and imperfections that I've got on each panel as much as I can. And now it's time to remove the doors and part, which is more easier to me to fix them on a stand, on a vertical position. And so many things that I have to do after the paint, which is one of them is fixing this gap. So that's pretty much for now. And I start to strip the car, starting from the two guards, put it on a stand, each door one by one, and start to welding and fix the actual the body, because the body is the first thing that I have to paint it. Some sealing are gone inside the door hinges, and pretty much for now, and I started. All right, 95% is stripped, doors, guards, and then molds are off. The only left is the bonnet, which is I need the extra hand, and I'll do it tomorrow. And I start to prep the whole cabin. First of all, I'll paint the cabin, and then all parts individually will be painted and install it after painting finish. Now I'll prepare the actual shell, make it ready for paint. Hopefully the customer comes to choose the right color. So it's gonna be the red, but it's very special red. There is a couple of holes that I have to weld it on the actual shell, which is the 3 of them this side and couple on the other side. I'm dressing up and ready for weld. This one is really thick, and while I'm doing the welding, the spark doesn't go through my clothes and burn my hand. That's protection coat. This is the welding blanket. I'll put it on to cover the inside and doesn't burn the dash or whatever is inside. The paint was really rough. Um, at, at this stage it's smooth, and with the primer make it more smoother and straight. This is the back pillar. It's already been chopped and repaired. Rest of the shell is not bad. For this side, that's the area I weld the 2 holes. It was a couple of the rock chip along this pillar, and it's already sanded, and I prefer to primer it to make it more smooth. All right, the repair on the body shell is done. I'll have to spray the primer on the roof. This pillar, which is repaired, and make it smooth. The area that's already welded, and apply the filler to make it smooth. The other side, same thing. And the rest of the car stays like this till that'll make it ready and painted, and it's gonna be the different layers, different color to build up the actual paint. So yesterday the owner came here and we decided to do the very special color on this car, which is the Mazda Crystal Red, and it's very close to the apple candy. This color is a 46V. That's a color code, and it's on a Mazda and some other cars. This I'm gonna paint it candy red. I'm super excited to do it. That's it. Let's go for the primer. Alright guys, that's it for episode 1 of this 1994 Ford Maverick restoration. When this car came in, it was full of dents, scratch and even hole in the body. Today we completely strip it down, remove the doors, guards, bonnet and molding, and brought the body shell back to the life. Now the whole car is finally in primer, and this is just beginning of the journey. In the next episode we will take the Maverick to the next level, fixing remaining imperfection, preparing every panel perfectly and getting it ready for incredible full respray. Trust me, this transformation is going to be huge. If you enjoyed this episode, make sure you like the video, subscribe the channel and turn on the notification bells so you don't miss the next part of this build. Thank you so much for watching and supporting the channel. It really means a lot. I'll see you in next episode where this Maverick gets even closer to the final glory.